What is up, Ace Motorsports? Bringing you guys another video just because it's 4th of July. I wanted to show you guys the Banshees. So considerably, this is going to be the red, white, and blue for 4th of July, you know, America. The last video did so good. I want to go ahead and thank you guys. Got a lot of new subscribers and a lot of new views. It's #1 on my view list right now. So just want to say thank you guys for doing that. You know, go ahead and keep subscribing. It really does motivate me to keep uploading. A lot of bangers coming. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start every single one of them, and I'm going to go ahead and ride it around the block real quick so you guys go ahead and hear the difference. I know that has T5s. These are some Bills USA pipes. Sounds completely different. And then this is I believe it's Tumis as well, but like an older version of Tumis. Yeah guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the 1987 JR Banshee. It's going to be gone real soon. That's why I'm going to be doing this. Just go and show you guys all the Banshees. Got the 89 looking so clean. So you guys go, the 89, 87. Here's my 01 looking super duper clean. I didn't wash this one, so it's still a little dirty. And then here is the 03 looking super clean. But let's go ahead and get them all started and then take it around the block real quick. Okay. There's the 3 2001. With my idle on this one. Fill pipes, you hear much different. They're all still running. Go ahead and ride first. This bad boy. Quick around the block. Put him inside. for the 01, my baby. Let's take it out this way. Neighbor's cleaning his yard, I don't want to be in his way. So there is the 2001 Yamaha Banshee. Turn the fuel off. This is gonna be my favorite bike. You guys will see right now why. That one is the fastest, the 87. This is my favorite bike because of the way it sounds. And the plastics, I love the plastics, I love red. Bike is fucking clean, man. Love this fucking bike. I think the guy was pretty pissed, but the show must go on. One more bike. But I'll give you like 1/4 throttle. Bike is fucking dead, man. bike is fucking gnarly, man. God damn. God damn, this bike is fucking gnarly as fuck. Chain is super loose. Heard it rattling. Yup, that was the noise. But man, this fucking Banshee, fuck, I never found something like that. I know I said it's up for grabs, but after that, I don't know. But you know, I gotta let it go. Got bigger plans. But god damn. Bring it over here real quick and show you guys. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap on the quick little preview on the Banshees. To get the full power of them is taking them out either to the dunes, dirt, preferably the dunes. There you guys have it. 1, 2, 3, 4 Banshees. That's how I store them up. Got frames, another frame over there, a bunch of parts. Lots and lots of content coming. I cannot emphasize that, guys. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for subscribing. It means a lot. And stay tuned, guys. Happy 4th of July and have a great rest of your weekend. Stay safe. If you do go riding, stay hydrated. It's no joke. Sheesh. Look at that right there. Oh, I'm in love right here. Ooh, it's beautiful. Yes, sir.